Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this video we are going to be taking a look at a continuation of the index and match function in Excel. So on the last video I talked about how we can use the index and match function to simulate the same thing that the vlookup function can do. So we are going to be taking a look at how we can do that in this particular video. So to start with, I'd like us to take a recap of the vlookup function, how it works, and let's just take a look at that. So in order to use the vlookup function, just enter your function vlookup, then it takes in the lookup value. So I've entered this value here, 1102, which correspond with the name David. So this is what we are trying to look up. So we want to know, using the employee ID, what name is corresponding to the employee ID 1102. So our lookup value is the 1102. Then our table array, giving it the entire table. The column index for our first name is 1 2, and the range lookup, that will take a false for an exact match, and it gives us the David. Now, how can we perform the same operation using the index and match function? So think about it. The match function does what? It returns the index for a particular value that it can search for in an array. So given this particular array, I can search for this value 1102, return the index, and then this value returned by the match will be taken by the index, so as well as the column, the first name column, and then I can get my David. So let me explain that better by doing it. We start by taking our index function. So it asks for the array, request for the array, and you're supplying the entire array. The row number, now we don't know the row number of these 1102, so what we'll be doing is we'll be using the match function to give us the row number. So we are going to be writing our match function, then it's requesting for a lookup value. The lookup value is 1102. The lookup array, so the lookup array, this is where the employee ID is, and the match type is 0. Then we give it our column number. Our column number, as we said earlier, it's the first name, which is 2. Enter 2, close the brackets. Now we are done. It gives us David. So what if we change the value here to maybe something else, 1012? So we have 1012. So they both work. The vlookup and the index and match function does exactly the same thing. So that will be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Kindly hit the like and subscribe button. Also, to get notified for my subsequent videos, hit the little bell icon. Thank you.